Would you ever light a pile of $100 bills on fire just to see what happens? No? Well, guess what? If you're running ads on Google, Facebook, or Bing without a real system, you're already doing it. And unless you want to keep donating to Zuckerberg's yacht fund, this is your wake-up call. Read the full article by clicking the link in the description below. Here's the brutal truth. Most businesses are wasting 50 to 90% of their ad spend. Clicks? You're getting them. Traffic? Sure. Sales? Crickets. Here's why your ads are bleeding you dry. You think more traffic equals more sales. You send traffic to a dead-end homepage. You have zero clue who's visiting your site. That's like owning a store where 98 people walk in and 98 walk right back out. No names, no emails, no sales. Let's fix this fast. Step 1. Join the One Funnel Away Challenge. Build a sales funnel that actually converts. Step 2. Use Traffic ID. Track exactly who's visiting your site. Names, emails, phone numbers. It's like giving your website superpowers. Still think ads are cheap? Think again. Here's what you're paying per click right now. Legal, up to $100. Finance, $50. E-com, $3. Spend $5,000 on ads. Convert 1%. You're setting money on fire. But now you've got the cheat code. Funnels plus visitor tracking equals ROI explosion. Run better ads. Send them into a high-converting funnel. Track visitors. Follow up instantly. ClickFunnels plus Traffic ID equals profit on autopilot. 2 choices. Keep wasting ad spend and crossing your fingers. Plug the leaks. Track your leads. Turn traffic into buyers. Step 1. Get Traffic ID. Know who's visiting. Step 2. Join the One Funnel Away Challenge. Build your funnel. Make sales. Everything's linked below. Want the full breakdown and free tools? See the links in the description below. Bonus time. Need a done-for-you email funnel? Grab it free at instantsalesfunnels.com. Let's stop wasting money and start printing profits. Click the links below. Fix your funnel. Convert 98% of your website traffic. Dominate your niche.